Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best food scales that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Digital Kitchen Scale by Zerla. Being one of the best digital food scales, Zerla could be your mate. Having a food scale to help you count calories or weights your ingredients is truly essential to your diet. With Zerla Digital Kitchen Scale, you will always eat at the right amount of calories to maintain your health. Equipped with a high-precision sensitive sensor, this food scale can weigh at 0.1 grams. The LCD display uses black backlight, with no shadow interference, providing a clearer reading of the digits. It uses low-voltage power consumption and overload indication. A pack of batteries comes included with the package, so you can use it immediately afterward. This is one of the food scales that can precisely and accurately calculate the exact net weight of the ingredient, even if you use a container or bowl on top of it. It works to subtract the weight of the bowl or the container, providing only the weight of the actual ingredient. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Glass Kitchen and Food Scale by Greater Goods. This glass top kitchen scale is what we would like to recommend next. By having a highly accurate digital kitchen scale, it will help you make your favorite meals in style. Greater Goods Digital Kitchen Scale are thoughtfully designed with a high-quality glass surface that's easy to clean and looks great in your kitchen. It comes in 3 various colors: gray, black, and stainless steel, all making it a fancy food scale. It is equipped with 4 precision weighing sensors, being able to accurately weigh within 0.1 ounces. The LCD screen gives a high-contrast view of the digits, and automatically shuts off or calibrates. This is one of the food scales that can precisely and accurately calculate the exact net weight of the ingredient, even if you use a container or bowl on top of it. You can adjust the calculating features from grams to pounds, ounces, and to milliliters. At number 3, we have the Sharper Image Smart Digital Kitchen Food Scale. You can now accurately weigh your food while knowing about its nutrition facts at the same time with this scale from Sharper Image. There is a booklet of food codes provided for you, so you can access the info about its nutrition fact based on the weight. It is programmed with 999 foods. It has a built-in memory function, meaning that you needn't enter the code twice because the scale will remember it for you. On top of that, it can weigh your total meal altogether thanks to its large glass surface. This is incredibly helpful for those who are looking to maintain their diet. It is a perfect scale for macros. At number 2, we have the Hario V60 Drip Coffee Scale and Timer. Even though the name suggests a coffee scale and time, this product from Hario is also a food scale. It is just that it is specially designed for weighing coffee beans and drips. This fancy food scale is also able to accurately weigh at 0.1 ounces, just like any other similar products as well. Its sleek black design makes a great kitchen accessory, suitable for your kitchen settings or cafes. It has an included self-timer to determine when you want to turn off your scale. Without setting the self-timer, the scale automatically shuts off after 5 minutes. The only downfall to this product is that it is quite pricier than similar products. On the other hand, if you are a coffee lover, this scale is a must-have item. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ozeri ZK14S Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen and Food Scale. This is the best-selling food scale, with more than 80% 5-star rating, and over 20,000 customer reviews. We would understand why people love it so much. The new Pronto Digital Kitchen Scale by Ozeri is an amazing multifunction device for the kitchen and home. It is upgraded with the latest sensor technology to provide accurate and quick measurements. Its stainless steel features a larger weighing platform to suit large bowls or heavy food items. The automatic button instantly converts into 5 different measuring levels, without you having to adjust it. The Pronto also comes with a tare button which tends to automatically subtract the weight of any bowl or containers to calculate the net weight of your ingredients. Its aesthetic design and availability in 8 colors enhance any kitchen settings. It operates using 2 AAA batteries and turns off automatically after 2 minutes to preserve battery life. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.